Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried opening a Telegram channel and got stuck with the "this channel cannot be displayed" message, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you 2 simple ways to fix this issue so you can get back to browsing your favorite channels in no time. First, let's try the easiest method. Open your browser and type wap.telegram.org in the search bar, then press enter. Click on the first link that comes up. Once the page loads, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to settings. From there, head into privacy and security, then scroll down until you see the sensitive content section. Simply disable the filtering option and that's it. Now, go back to Telegram and try opening the channel again. You should be able to see it without any issues. If that doesn't solve the problem, don't worry. There's a second method. All you need to do is activate a VPN on your phone. Open your VPN app, turn it on, and then reopen Telegram. Changing your location often bypasses the restriction and your channel should load normally. And there you go, 2 quick ways to fix the "this channel cannot be displayed" issue on Telegram. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.